Okay, here's Chicago Faucet pressure balance shower valve SH-PB1-000. We think it's a great product. It's reasonably priced. And we have a customer with a very special, very special old antique trim. And we're now going to adapt the antique trim to fit this valve. Here's an antique single-handled crane shower valve that was brought to us, and we sold them the Chicago Faucet SHPB1. So now we're going to transfer this trim. This trim is going to be transferred over to the Chicago valve. So when people are operating this faucet and looking at it, they cannot tell it's not the antique valve in the wall. So normally we would try to fix a valve like this, but this customer was in a real hurry. They don't know what the reason is, but they had to have it fixed today immediately. So we had to sell them another valve, and now we're going to transfer the trim. This indexing now is incorrect. We discussed that with the customer before we started the process. Ta-da!